Human Resource Planner. It is a Java-based web application. It is mainly used for software companies because when software company wants to achieve its goals on time or efficiently use its staff on the projects, it is necessary for a company to have hands-on information related to number of employees working on the various projects and their skills and the number of employees still needed by the company to complete the project on time. And this maintains a centralized database so that any changes done at a location can reflect immediately. This is an online tool, so more than one user can log in into the system and use the tool simultaneously. First of all, I will show you the execution. We need to have a web server installed in our system for this. We are using Apache Tomcat server, and for database we are using MySQL. There is no restriction that everybody should use these only. You can use the XAMPP as well. First of all, we should on the web server. So I am switching it on. Yeah, it is switched on. And now you can see the database also. Root is the password and show databases, and these are the databases existing in the MySQL and PMS is ours. Now show tables. These are the tables existing in our database. Now the execution. I'll start it from the first. Go to Tomcat Manager and select your project in the list. Yeah. This application have three kinds of users: admin, HR manager and project manager. Each user is gonna have different kinds of tasks. First, let's see the duties of admin. Admin, he is not having RDS tasks. He can view the employees existing in the company and he can download an Excel sheet. Let's see the generated Excel sheet. Yeah, this is the one. And he cannot add an employee and he cannot remove an employee as well, and he cannot change the details of the employee. Let's try. See, they are not authorized. Projects, he cannot view the projects and he cannot do anything regarding requirements and allocation, and HRD completely belongs to HR manager. And reports, he can see the reports. Role location report means according to the role how many software engineers and project managers are there in Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore according to the location and their role. This is the table, and you can generate the Excel sheet for these as well. And project location, same location and projects at Mumbai. ABCL is a project, JJ, it's just make-up names, just please worry about that. And role and skill, number of software engineers who are programmers, and number of software engineers who are project managers, and number of software engineers who are analysts, and in total how many employees, and that's it. And this is project skill. Programmers, number of programmers existing in different companies, different projects, and skill location report also. According to the location, number of programmers at Mumbai and number of project managers and analysts, like that. And you can generate the Excel sheet for all. And another important aspect of the admin is to add user and remove user. And let's see, we can create a new user and give him an authentication, so that he can create a new HR manager and project manager, and he will add him to the application so that they will use this application. Let me explain it. So a new project manager is being created here, whose user ID is Kiran and password is something else, and see, user is created, and you can remove the user as well. Let's see, just now we created Kiran, delete it. It is deleted from the database. Next time if you try to remove someone, you will not be able to get Kiran because he is deleted. And that's it. These are the tasks of admin. Let's see the tasks of project manager. Project manager, he can see the members as well, and he can generate the Excel sheets, and he also cannot add employees and remove and updation, nothing he can do. And he can view the projects existing in the company, and he can add a new project. Let's see project code, some okay. And project manager, some goodness, and site manager, and client location, yeah, lead cost from $20,000, and deal date, mm, 52 weeks, yeah, and submit. See, a new project is added into database. You can view now. See, 6204 project code, it is coming, and project manager, on-site manager, client name, and all details are can be seen. Now we can remove this one also. See, now it is deleted. Yeah, now next thing, requirements. You can view the requirements. See, for project code, requirement ID, software engineers who are programmers, offsite employees are required, two offsite employees, and for each project different kinds of requirements are. You can generate an Excel sheet, and you can add a new requirement on the project also. I don't remember what are the projects. Yeah, GG. See, we are now adding a new project requirement. Location, Hyderabad. Okay, let's go with project manager, and on-site requirement, number of employees 2, and offset 0. Let's skip to all. Yeah, this is a new requirement. Let's see whether it is added or not. GG, software engineers at Hyderabad who are project managers, 2 number of on-site employees and off-site employees. See, it is added, and we can see the allocation also. You cannot understand this allocation here. At the time of the HR manager work, you will get a clear picture of this. Okay, and he can also see the reports as well, and he can also generate an Excel sheet. Log out. And next, let's see the HR manager's task. Yeah, now he can also he can also view the employees, and yes, he can add employees. Let's see. Employee identity, some name, okay, current location, Bangalore, project code, road, confidential, programmer, design, hospital, not applicable. Sorry. Yeah. See, a new employee is added. He can remove the employees also. 89. It's just added. I am deleting it. Yeah. He can update the details of the employees. Yeah. Employee number 4 is existing. So let's change 4. Yeah, see, you can make any changes. Chennai to Hyderabad. Let's see whether it will be reflected in the database or not. You employee 4. Yeah, see, location is changed to Hyderabad. And then he cannot see the projects, and he cannot see the requirements and allocations and HRD. Yeah, this is one. This is called gap summary. This means a requirement ID ABCL, and there is offset requirement of 2 employees and availability is only 1, so there is a gap. This is called gap summary, and you can see the gap summary. You can see this for entire projects, and you can see the gap summary role wise also. Let's see this thing. For example, see the last one, software engineers. There are 24 offset requirements for software engineers, only 3 are available. There is a gap of 21. And for on-site requirements, there are 22 software engineer requirements, but only 2 are available for the company. This is 20. That is, there is a chance of recruitment for 21 software engineers and 20 software engineers for on-site work. And this will be dynamic. I mean, this will be changed according to the requirement. Let's see whether it will be changed or not. I will show you. Now add a requirement. Let's add. Yeah. Project code. MGG. Role. Software engineer. Location. Skill programmer. On-site requirement 8. Offsite requirement 8. Submit. See. Now let's see in the gap summary whether software engineers will be added or not. Yeah, role wise. See, previously it was 21 only. Now it is 29. Previously it was 20 and now it is 28. So 8 in the each section is added. So he can see the gap summary and he can conduct recruitments and he can and that's it. He can also see the reports. And one more thing, every time we can give a feedback to particular user. See, go to feedback and to, let's say we are giving message to admin, add a new user, call Kiran, and sorry, okay fine, and authentication as project manager. Send. Now let's log out and let's see if we get that message or not. Go to inbox. See, add a new user called Kiran and give authentication as project manager. So what we can understand by this is they even can communicate through this. And log out. These are the 3 kinds of users. The correct usage of the application will help the company to do the analysis efficiently and to improve its position. And this is the entire explanation of the human resource planner. Thank you.